Behavioral adaptation.
Good morning. We are group number 3, made up of Maddox, Cruz, and Ivette Palma. And we are going to tell you earlier about how adaptation to animals help.
Animal adaptations. When there's a sudden threat, like an attack by a predator, an animal may respond by changing its color, like an octopus. Animals have physical and behavioral adaptations that help them survive by responding to sudden threats. An example is the pufferfish. The pufferfish is usually a normal-sized fish, and that makes it an easy prey to predators. But when predators get too close, the pufferfish ingests a lot of water extremely fast, making it several times larger than its normal size, and that scares predators.
What is extinction? It is when a species decline due to environmental force, habitat fragmentation, global change, natural disaster, overexploitation of a species for human use, or due to evolutionary change in their members, genetic inbreeding, poor reproduction, and population decline.
Life cycle variations. Different animals have different life cycles that help them survive in their environment. For example, many birds lay their eggs in the spring. When the weather warms up, the young hatchlings then have several months of good weather when food is available. This makes it easier for them to complete their growth.
What is behavioral adaptation? It is the action that animals take to survive in their environments. Some examples are hibernation, migration, and instincts. Example, birds fly south in winter because they can find more food.
Physical characteristics. The body parts of an animal have useful physical characteristics that help the animal survive. Useful change in the body parts of an animal are called structural adaptations. For example, animals that hunt tend to have eyes in the front of their heads. This makes them better at telling how far away their prey is, and they can pounce or swoop with precision. Individual animals do not develop structural adaptations. Instead, animal species develop their physical characteristics through a process of natural selection, just as plant species do. The process works in animals as it does on plants. If the genes of a bear give the bear thicker fur, the bear is more likely to survive in a cold winter.
What is seasonal change? Some animals deal with this food shortage by migrating or moving. In spring and summer, Canada gets live in Canada and the North United States. They migrate south to escape cold winter weather and to find food. Another type of seasonal behavior is hibernation.
So, in summary, animal adaptations are the physical and behavioral changes or characteristics of an animal that help it survive in its environment. The animal adaptations can be physiological, morphological, or behavioral. Life cycle variations are the stage of development that occurs during the life of an organism. The time an organism spends in each stage also varies. The time it takes for an organism to complete its life cycle is called the life cycle.
Physical characteristics. The body parts of animals have useful physical characteristics that helps the animal survive. Useful change to animal's body parts and called structural adaptation. This is divided into four parts: well fed, sharp claws, large breasts, and wings. And extinction is a species considered to be in danger of extinction, whether plants or animal, when all the living members of that species are in danger of disappearing.
Now let's see a little video about some examples of animal adaptations. And those were three different animal adaptations. Thanks for watching the video.
Thank you.